As per usual, when I try to film, there's somebody whacking weeds outside. I don't know how they find me, but they do. I hope it doesn't come out too much on camera. When I stealth camp, first thing I do is move from the spot that I stayed on the street. I usually find parks like these. This one's actually free. I just never went on the street, and now I did, so I found it. I can't believe it's free, to be honest. There's a lot of vans here, so I think there's only a matter of time when the city's gonna be enough. It's a park, and you can go down to the beach, which we're gonna do later on. But coffee first, of course. I also try to open up the vents when I'm at the park, just so, you know, I get some fresh air in here. Alright, this time I'm gonna use my swimming trunks for what they're meant to be used for. And let's go down to that beach and check it out. I haven't been yet, so we're gonna find out together. Hopefully it's not too busy because a lot of people are showing up. You know, I was gonna take the coffee with me down to the beach, but I realized between the filming and then the steps that are over there, I'm gonna drink a little bit of coffee here and then go down there. Like always, going down this pathway, easy breezy, but I know when I'm gonna go back up, it's not gonna be easy breezy at all. Gee. These are straight upstairs, which I frankly prefer more than that steep walkway up. But there's a lot of them, so wish me luck. Now it turned into a maze. Ooh, my exercise for the day. My van is all the way down there. That was better, I want to say, than the other one. I can't really tell, but I made it, and at the end it turned into like a spiral maze. There's a lot of construction going on in the neighborhood between the parking lot and the beach. A lot of houses, and there was like this really big house that was bigger than other ones. Looked like a convention center. Let's see if I can reach that towel without me coming in the van with the wet shoes. Got it. That was a great walk on the beach, especially because it's not as hot as anywhere else. If I were to go to any desert right now, it'd be probably over 100. It's humid though, but I'll take it. You know, it's only 80 degrees in here and it's only around 76 right now outside, but humidity is like 72%. That's what it's showing me. Looking at the watch, let's see. Nah, only 5,400 steps. You know, all that work with all those steps, and that's all I get. The watch is broken again. You guys hear that? They're right here. They found me. I think it's time for me to move. We found another spot without any buzzing. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, for some reason, if there's grass, there's weed whackers right next to me. Time to get some lunch going. It's past 1 o'clock actually. That's what happens when you film the whole day. I got great news for those of you that say that I never make salads, and the ones that don't like salads. This looks really good. I got arugula. I know some people do not like arugula because it's bitter, but I love arugula, especially with like basil infused olive oil, because it makes it that much more refreshing. Got a few Brussels sprouts in there just to fill me up a bit more, and also the avocado is going to do the same thing, plus the quinoa and the lentil. So this is kind of my version of a salad during the summer. Granted that I did have the quinoa and the lentil already pre-made because I made food for the week, and I could use it in a salad, I could use it in a taco. I have my side door open and I'm in the parking lot, and also the back doors. There's a lot of curiosity out there, but I'm used to it, so. Oh, it's great. That was a great lunch. It's a lot of food. Well, when I make salads, I try to overdo it so I fill up. It was missing something. I just don't know what. I think I should have added, oh yes, I should have added shallots. It is editing time because there's always editing. Seems like that's all I do nowadays. But it needs to be done anytime I get a chance. Because like I said before, after a while the computer starts freezing on Final Cut Pro. I'm not really sure because the fans are not really running super crazy, but just Final Cut Pro stops responding. So I have to do it in increments. I can't just have one session. I need to go to the Apple store and see what they have to say about it, because the computer is more than capable. When the Final Cut Pro is working, it's working fine. But then after a few hours, it doesn't. Thank you for coming along on today's video. Like, comment, share with your friends, subscribe. It's free. It really does help the channel. I will see you guys in the next one. This was a short and sweet video, but I hope you did enjoy it, and I'm gonna get to editing it, so